Alright, got my cake order out the way. Now I can go ahead and marinate my whole chicken and let it sit overnight that the cake is out the fridge. Okay, so let's get started on that. Let's clean it up. I think I'm going to spatchcock this, put it in the oven. I'm going to leave my crock pot alone. Okay. Alright, took my spine out. Okay. Gonna spatchcock this baby. Alright, we got it spatched. And this is the back side, inside, whatever you want to call it. And go ahead and season it. Let's make some seasoning. Alright, we're going to use these seasonings here. Okay. I got my spices ready. Can y'all guess what they are? They look beautiful, don't they? Ooh, that chicken gonna be good tomorrow. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. I am just doing what I love. Preparing our chicken for tomorrow. We're gonna have a spatchcock chicken. We're gonna bake it. Okay, it's upside down right now because I'm ready to do all my seasonings. Look at that. Okay. And then we're gonna have some eggplant with it tomorrow from the garden. Let me season this baby up.